Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a folder in Confluence. Now, the first thing I want you to do here from the left-hand panel is click on Spaces, and on this drop-down, choose your space where you want to create a folder. Okay, so let's say this space right here, and right here where you see Content, make sure you click on it and you get a drop-down, okay? And then you get this button that says create. So you can click on create and then choose folder. Or what you could also do is click on this plus icon next to content. Okay. And then choose folder. Now we will need to, of course, name our folder. So let's go ahead and name this answer ASAP. And then just click on enter. And now we have our folder, and you can begin putting things in this folder. It's very easy. You can just go ahead and drag and drop these right here, as you can see, into this folder. Let me also bring this one in as well. And there you go. And that is how to create folder in Confluence.